In this video, I'm going to cover some tips and techniques for installing TimberTech EDGE Decking with EDGELoc hidden fasteners. We'll go over the benefits of EDGELoc for TimberTech EDGE, the tools you need, and installation best practices, including things to watch out for during the installation. Let's begin with the benefits of EDGELoc. EDGELoc is designed exclusively for TimberTech EDGE grooved deck boards. EDGELoc fasteners are available in pack sizes of 55 square feet with 96 clips or 250 square feet with 444 clips. The deep groove in TimberTech decking allows for maximum contact of the edge clip and the TimberTech EDGE deck board. The underside of the EDGELoc clip also has a serrated surface to strengthen the connection between the fastener and the deck board, while the 12 clipped collated strip make it easier to set and hold the fasteners in the decking groove. This reduces installation time while providing a high-performance hidden fastener for a fastener-free deck surface. Star Drive stainless steel screws are preset with a 90-degree angle for additional ease of installation. The access to the screw between the boards makes board removal easy if needed. To get started, here's a list of tools you will need. Grooved TimberTech EDGE deck boards, EDGELoc fasteners, a T15 Star Drive bit included, top lock fasteners for perimeter decking, a drill, and safety glasses. Installation is easy. First, secure the leading edge of the first deck board with a top-down fastener. We recommend top lock with scalloped bottom boards like TimberTech EDGE Prime Plus. Then, position the fasteners. Fully insert the EDGELoc fastener into the grooved edge of the deck board. Screw hold should be lined up with the center support joist. The feet will help to align the center of the joist. Set your cordless drill to a low speed in a torque setting. Drive the preset screw at a 90-degree angle through the clip until you make contact with the deck board. Do not fully tighten in this step. Apply downward pressure on the deck board while driving the screw. Pull the remaining clips off the installed clip to sever the collation. Continue with installing the next deck board. Place the next deck board into position against the installed clips. Slightly raise the outer edge of the deck board being installed and slide onto clips. Tapping the deck board onto the clip may be required to achieve the consistent gap. The EDGELoc fastener will auto-set a 7/32 inch gap. You can use a piece of lumber or another piece of deck board against the side of the board to make sure that the fastener is fully seated in the groove, but do not use a hammer directly on the side of the deck board, as you may cause damage. Check for gapping between deck boards to keep consistency and apply hand pressure to make sure the board is fully seated on the clip before installing the next row of clips. Again, do not fully tighten these. Once your next row of clips is installed, go back and tighten the previous row of clips. Continue these steps to install each deck board. The last deck board will need to have the outside edge attached using top lock fasteners. It may also be necessary to rip the last deck board to fit your frame. Check out the TimberTech install guide for details on removing and replacing boards and specialty applications like 45-degree angles, diagonal decks, and butt joints. EDGELoc hidden fasteners can be purchased at the same locations as TimberTech EDGE Decking is available. With TimberTech EDGE Decking and EDGELoc hidden fasteners, your customer's new deck will look beautiful for years to come. For more information on installing TimberTech decking, you can find our install guides online.